Hi everyone. So this week we're going to start planning our informational writing, and one way we're going to do that this week is by asking and answering questions through research. So first I'm going to make my screen a little bit bigger. So one book we already looked at was Why Do Horses Neigh? The author of this informational text was Joan Holub, and she used a lot of questions to begin her research. If I flip back through her book, her different sections were set up with question titles, and a lot of them were questions that we probably had about her topic, horses. So for example, what are the different parts of a horse's body called? How big are horses? How fast can horses run? Why do horses neigh? What other ways do horses talk? What do horses eat? So those are just examples of some questions that as a writer you might come up with to help you with your research. Now I'm going to go back into our slides today. So your goal today is just to come up with 3 questions about your topic. So some example questions we have. If you are researching an animal that's your topic, some questions you might ask are, where does the animal live? What does it eat? What does it look like? Meaning, what color is it? How big is it? How small is it? Maybe, is it soft? Is it scaly? How does it move? If you're choosing to write about a sport or a hobby, some questions you might ask are, how do you play the game or sport? What are the rules of the game? What equipment and or materials do you need to play? Who are the most famous players of this game or sport? When was the game or sport first played? And if you're choosing to write about something in weather or nature, questions you might ask are, what are the parts of a flower, a tornado, an insect, etc.? What does it look like? What does it feel like? Where do you find it? Where in the world is it? Is it in the sky? Is it in the ground? Is it only for a specific season? Or how big does it get or grow? So if I were to ask questions about my topic, monkeys, I double-clicked in my box, and one question I had, and you can refer to the chart on the side because questions we know start with words like where, when, who, what, why, or how. One question I had was, what do monkeys look like? Another question I had was, where do monkeys live? A third question I had was, what do monkeys eat? Those are all things that I am wondering about monkeys, and I would like to find the answers to. So today what you're going to do, your slide looks similar to mine. You have question words on the side to help you, and then in your thought bubble, you have a spot to write 3 questions. I want you to come up with 2 questions about your topic, and then ask a family member a question they have about your topic. That way you get some other ideas. I can't wait to see what you come up with. So after you get to this slide, remember, we're going to stop after Tuesday.